Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing EURUSD, taking into account both recent news events and detailed chart data. We'll be discussing potential trading strategies and price levels to watch. Based on recent news, Trump's proposed tariffs on European imports continue to weigh on the euro. However, strong U.S. PMI data offers some support to the U.S. dollar. Let's dive into the charts and see how these factors are playing out. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a recent period of consolidation after a slight uptrend. The price has been hovering around the 1.08 level, suggesting some equilibrium between buyers and sellers. However, recent selling pressure may indicate a shift in sentiment. The 1.08 level will be important to keep an eye on. A break below this level could lead to further downside, possibly testing lower support levels around 1.07 or even 1.06. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart for a more granular view. On the hourly chart, we can see more pronounced fluctuations, indicating short-term volatility. There's a potential head and shoulders pattern forming, which could signal a bearish reversal if it completes. Keep an eye on the neckline of this potential pattern. A break below could confirm the bearish outlook. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can see very recent price action. The EURUSD pair appears to be trading within a tight range. We are seeing a lot of choppy price movement, so it may be a good idea to wait for breakout in either direction before trading. Looking at the shorter timeframes can help confirm trend continuations or reversals we may see in the larger timeframe charts. Considering the news and the chart patterns, it's important to be cautious. The uncertainty surrounding Trump's trade policies creates potential for downside risk. Key price levels to watch are 1.08 and 1.07 as support and 1.09 as resistance on the daily chart. If tariffs go through, EURUSD may decline to 1.06. If trade tensions ease, we might see a rally towards 1.10, but this is less likely in the short term. In summary, the EURUSD is in a tricky situation, with technicals suggesting short-term bearishness. However, these predictions require specific chart movements to occur to reinforce them. The news is similarly suggesting potential bearishness short-term, but all could shift quickly with new data or government action. Stay nimble and manage your risk carefully. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. See you next time.